Hello everyone, welcome back to One to Step. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to put video as your TikTok profile photo. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Tap open your TikTok application and sign into your account first. From your home screen, tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner and this will take you to your profile. Tap on Edit Profile and tap on Change Video option at the upper right. Select a video from your gallery that you would want to use as your TikTok profile video. Once you do that, you can select up to 6 seconds for your video. Move the slider in order to choose the part you want to post on your video. Once you're done selecting it, tap on Save at the upper right. Wait for a few seconds until it uploads. And there you go. You can see that you have changed your TikTok profile video just like that. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.